Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw school. Subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Let's make it more prominent. Now let's color it. We are using brown color. This is brown color. Which color we are using? We are using brown color. Brown color. This is brown color. Good job. Which color is this? This is red color. We are using red color. Now yellow color. Again red color. Let's color the whole building. Red. Red. We are using red color. Red color. Good job. This is red color. Which color is this? This is red color. Red color. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. Brown color. This is brown color. We are using brown color. This is brown color. Brown color. Which color is this? This is brown color. Good job. This is brown color. This is light blue color. Light blue color. We are coloring the windows. We are using light blue color. Which color? Light blue color. Good job. This is light blue color. Now we will use light green color to color the trees. This is light green color. Light green color. Which color is this? This is light green color. Good job. This is dark green color. This is dark green color. Now we will use brown color again. Purple color. This is purple color. We are using purple color. Good job. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.